Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, please subscribe. I would so totally love that. And if you're returning, how you doing? In today's video, I'm going to be dehydrating broccoli florets, which take, according to the chart, 3 to 7 hours. And I think a piece of broccoli just fell. Darn it. Darn it. Oh well. That's okay. And I also have what's called a California medley that I'm going to be stacking up. So let's get another tray and put that on top. I guess because they're frozen, it's not going to squish. Oh well. No. Ew. And then I'm going to take another tray and put that on top. And I have this California medley. And this has broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots in it, right? So the broccoli is 3 to 7, the carrots are 3 to 9, and the cauliflower is 4 to 7. So it's around about in the same area. And let's see, this is what, 3, 3, and 4. So in 3 hours, we'll come back and we'll check on it to see how it's doing. All right. There we go, and I'll put this in. And then after this, we'll be dry canning everything. Okay, guys. See you in a little bit. Bye. Okay, it is now 8:30. These have been dehydrating for 6 hours. So everything is completely dehydrated. So now I'm going to get everything ready. I'm going to preheat the oven and start dry canning all of these vegetables. Be back with you in just a minute. Okay, now that the oven is preheated to 200, I'm going to set these into the oven for just a few minutes to warm them up. Here is all of the broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots. This was about, what was it, 4 bags. So we'll be able to get that into about 2 jars. So. Clean that up later. But, oh. Get those ready. Set my rings aside. I have this, and I have to go get my other tools out of the drawer. My other tools, and now we wait. Okay, now that they are heated up, let's get these filled. Oh, cauliflower. Oh, darn it. Alright, now these can go back in the oven for about, say 20 minutes. And I'll be back in 20 minutes. Okay, we're going to take this out of the oven now. And I got to get some bay leaves.
How was that? Lucia wouldn't leave it alone. At the Halloween dance, I'm sitting there minding my own business. He douses me with the water hose. I haven't seen the guy in months. And he turns a water hose on my head. So I chase him down, try to put it in things that night, right? Turns out the guy's got a karate master of his own.
Now I got to get the lids out.
Salts me and my friends. I think my buddy Tommy got brain damage because of that fight. Oh my god. Eventually we decided to work things out with all that.
Wipe the tops off here. Excuse the TV in the back. The husband is watching TV. Okay. Ooh. It's the California blend, Sean.
It smells good.
Yeah, it does. Okay. Now, I like this to tighten the lids with. Ah. Darn it. My hands just don't want to cooperate. There. And now, today is the 28th. This is California blend. And after a while, you'll hear pop, pop. And that is the jars sealing. Okay. that is all. Here they are. Have a good night, guys. I'll see you later on. I love you. Bye.